So friend, this is my online net touch Sky channel. In this my video, I will show you new type of series in this my computer. Okay. So what is a new series start for you? And this is an online new of data create especially to important of Google products related. So a lot of people not know about what is the Google products and how many type of are using Google products. Okay, so Google product is created Google by company, and product means you are already installed Google Chrome. So you can see this type of browser inside right side. You can see corner. You can see this is Google products. You can see here. So what is Google products and why these Google created this type of product? Because Google is a very good and largest company in the world, and especially to first Google company start service Gmail account means email system, and after one by one blogging system, and blogging after different type of created but what is the main difference between Google and Yahoo? Yahoo is old generation time. Sometime you pay and after give Yahoo services. But Google company 50% free of cost use your product. In 50% you pay for special features and the services related. I will discuss in this series one by one. So Google product is this time a very long and big type of different wise give important of document internet through and lot of you can see. So all Google products working in internet you can see here. So I will discuss one by one every product related information and only for you, and especially general purpose how using it. So I'm enter something Google products search here. Okay, so you can see Google product. So this is a very uh, you can see here different type of product available in Google product. So you can see this is a Google product is a Google by create company, Google Shopping, Google Search, and Google Services. But most often Google famous from Google search engine. First is coming Google Mail email, after Google search engine, and after blogging. And Google product it's give a different type of different type you can see. This is all of Google products you can see here. This is search, maps, chromes. You are using Google Chrome, you are using internet access. I'm using this message Google Duel, Google Chat, Gmail, Google Photos, Calendar. This is a slides. You can see Drive, Docs. This is you can see Google Ads, AdSense, Google Analytics, and you can see all products. You can see here a lot of Google Alerts, Google Ads. So every I will discuss in my computer through in this series and this video. So first ask about you can see this about means our mission is to organize the world information and make it university accessible and useful. But lot of people not know about sometime Google is very even type of your some information, some important your product purchase you want first. So you can see and the Google images for Google images showing here. So different type available, lot of product Google related. Okay, so I click on Google and you can see first you can see here Google account. So what is a Google account? I'm already show you first because we are using a Google system. So you can see this is a first understand about the account related information. So Google product is account, new product first account related to your Google email account. So you can see here this is a Google account of your Gmail account related product. In this account related information and especially to some settings related. So you can see left side the home, personal information, data and personalization, security, people and sharing, and payment and subscription, and about. So click on first about, and what is the all of Google working for you. You can see this is what is help to you build for you, protect us. Okay, and autofill and work is better for you. Different type of information, but I'm give something Google account. This is a Google account, and you can change your logo. First, understand privacy, personal information. So simple. Click on here and your personal information related. So you are enter password, change anything you want to change. So click on and enter again your password and click on next, and you can see enter your new password. Okay, so this is a new password, enter and click change password. Okay, so you can automatically change your Google Gmail account password. So you are must change 15 and 25 day in change your password. Okay, and your profiles, you can see here your profile related informations, and you can see this is your profile, and you can see this is choose what others see. So others see, you can see different type of the type of your information. Okay, so you can see here this is a personal information, privacy and personalization. You can see this is privacy and personalization. So privacy suggestion is available. You can see here privacy suggestion available. So you want privacy related suggestion, you want something, so enter here. Okay, so you can see privacy suggestion, different type of, you can make plan your account, you can manage your account using account. You want to stop account, so change here, make plan, click on. So this is one type of start inactive account to manager. So you can inactive your account and phone number, different type of information asks you. Okay, so next we are going to personal Google experience. You can enter share and web and activity turn on. Okay, so sometime what is the main important, because privacy checkup is sometime you Google your location, your important history. So Google one type of spy working in your account. This is a really true, and Google watch on your different type of choices. What you are watching video, what is you find in search engine, what is everything Google have, Google data change, save so your location, everything. So YouTube history, every time watch, and Google take your data, and this is one type of your very privacy important for you. Website and application activity, so must turn off. How you turn off? So first going to data personal, because your personal data Google monitor, Google one type of working as a spy. Okay, so this reason is very important for you. Okay, so understand about your main important your privacy. Okay, so sometimes your personal data may be Google watch and analyze, and this reason risky. So you are create a Gmail account. So first complete your profile, any your okay, any data and second come here your Google account file, okay, this, and click on data personalization. So must turn off these 1, 2 and 3. So in this my account, I will must this turn off. So click on, and you can see click on this tab. So going to down and pause. Okay, so pause activity means Google never show my screen. And second is something already already your website and other type. So delete your activity. Okay, delete. So last everything. Okay, and you can see auto delete on. So this is this means click on here. Okay, and delete your all time your Google history, Google search, everything delete. Okay, so this is a search activity. Search Google one type of locate your activity. Okay, so click on manage activity, and you can see this is a completely my complete close, and okay, so this first work complete here. Second is a YouTube history, very important for you, because sometime your history watch Google, and sometime problem, so you can stop here. Okay, so first I'm going to click on stop here, going to down and pause, because this is a very important for me, because sometimes some people include the watch history. I want to manage activity, click on here, and you can see here, so not saving activity. Okay, so this is activity very important for you. So I'm first going to turn on, and something already created my Google history of my YouTube history, and delete, and going to pause. Okay, going to pause. So pause means my YouTube history turn off. Okay, so this is 1 and 2 and 3 must you pause. Either Google you watch your every movement, every one type of spy. Okay, you can see here. Next is ad setting. What is the ad setting? It is the one type of personalized and basic interest you are enter. You are one type of creator, ad advice, ad creator. You can add settings here. Okay, so ad personalization Google, so our personalization system. Ad you are watching on YouTube area side, YouTube application in some ad personalization. So click on off and turn off, so don't automatically not online not showing your ads. Okay, so turn you to make ads useful for you. So you turn it personalization off, you can turn it back on to make your ads more useful for you. So you are one type of you are created ad creator, so you can on, and then you can off. You are simple using one type of user, one type of using your account, so turn off. Okay, next is activity and timeline. What is activity and timeline? I am already told you. Google watch every your movement, your data, your personal information in your Google. You are visit any website, Facebook, Yahoo, Gmail, any. So Google store your data in server, and this reason you must 3 option pause. Okay, so you are when you are when you automatically create your Google account, Gmail account, so these 3 option automatically by default on. Okay, so this reason I'm already told, I'm already tell you again, you are creating new Gmail account. So after create complete and setting a Gmail account, so must come in Google, click on here and click on account, and go into data and personalization system. Okay, so timeline, you can see I'm already so view location history is post, so not need, and okay, things you create to do. So this is check your Google dashboard, see summary and some services, and data save in your account. Okay, so this is things of what you are delete service something Gmail account in different type of services, and Google Watch and one type of spy, and one type of a collection of your personalization personal information something watch and store. So this is reason very important for post. Next is account storage. What is account storage? Account storage means this is Google Drive, one type of Google Drive. So you have hard disks in a computer, you are saved data pen drive, you are saved in data memory card, but sometimes memory card corrupt, maybe your pen drive lose, so you lose your data everything. But this service is Google created Google account storage in Google Drive. This is a online store your data in your Google Drive. Okay, I will show you next some video in Google Drive. Okay, so Google Drive in different type of data save, and how you are save data in minutes. Okay, so it is a one type of online storage area, online data storage. Okay, so this is one type of a very good facility, because Google inside never your data lose. Important three of things: remember your password, Gmail account. Second, remember your Gmail ID. Okay, your Google ID, this ID. Okay, and third is a mobile number. Okay, your phone number. So your account storage means you are save your data in internet. Okay, photos, videos, files, folders, everything. So this is account, and not again to again you want to problem. Okay, you are access any site anywhere, any device, laptop, desktop, tablet, iPhone, iPod, Android, any side. Okay, so manage storage is very important. You can say this storage. What is a managed storage? Is one type of storing free of cost. Google give 15 GB. Okay, but you want to purchase one type of more. You want 100 GB. You want, so 113 rupees per year in this currency, my country wise, per month 100 GB. Okay, these but sometimes some in case 200 I want purchase GB. This is the size of data, because 15 GB is very low of my size data. I am already lot of people chatting, video calling, some file, big file transferring, and some uh, important photos and images. So this is one type of 15 GB is minimum 7 day, and after 7 month in 8 month 15 GB full. So Google is free first step of 15 GB free, but you want first after 15 GB you want to purchase 100 GB size for your space. So every month I want to pay 100. I must pay this 130 a month. Okay, so this is a very important. So Google every time 100 1300 year. Okay, 100 GB give me size, and after you want to more increase your data, so 200 you want to enter. You can see the 2 terabyte. Okay, so you can see here. Okay, So this is the storage size of Google Drive. Okay, so next is your download your data. Okay, some your another PC account in services you can download. Okay, you can delete you can make a plan for your account. So inactive your account. This is sometime very important for you because some unnecessary type using, so you can inactive your account manager. Okay, so delete your service or your account. So you want to delete your account, you want to delete Google services, delete Google account. So click on delete your Google account, and again you want ask again Google asks password, so enter password and click OK. Next OK, and Google, you can see this is my computer. So here this you can see this is everything you want showing my Google activities, you know, YouTube, everything. You have a channel you are created already in this account, so automatically delete this system in your Google YouTube channel, automatically delete, and contacts. Okay, so click on and click on delete account. Okay, so this is delete in completely your Google account. Okay, so access your no longer than use those and the U account data will be lost. Okay, so I'm not delete my account. Okay, in this time. Okay, so next is you can see this general preference for web. So this is general preference for web, you can see here. So this is my language of account, and input tools, you can see type easily for language, accessibility, screen reader of high contrast, color off, search setting is like personal results of, okay, and safe search. Okay, so this is showing me in search engine settings, you can see. Okay, turn on safe search is very based off result per range and faster. So you can set up here. Okay, so you can see here in this reservation, sometime past upcoming reservation, flight, hotels, and event search maps and assistant. So this is a reservation of assistant, you can see here. Okay, so only see data Google protects and privacy and security related. Okay, because I am already pause this activity. Okay, next is business feature. I will show you business options. Okay, these I am show you one type of your Google business. So what is a Google business, and how these working in your different type of okay, so you can see these more Google tools and Google business type of showing. You can see this is a lot of okay, so Google business one type of you create your online shopping in your Google account through. Okay, and you can sell your items and products. Okay, so I will show you. Okay, so this is the business personalizations off. Okay, so you are business personalization on means you can update here, and you can see this type logo here, but not showing in my because I am already stopped this Google business personalization. I am reload this, and you can see this again I am showing okay, so this is a Google business type logo, and you can see here again I'm showing Google business because I'm already this stop, and okay, this reason. So you can see here Google Business. So this is your business enter, and you can enter your create your business, personalize and set it. So this is a Google Business, Google My Business. Okay, I will create in this topic. Okay, but I'm just showing Google account related product. Okay, okay. So next is add your business search and map. So you can enter your search in link you share here. Okay, and search Google account. You can see search your Google account on you have already some other Google account. You can see help for options. You can ask everything, you can read everything, the information related. Send feedback for Google company, so you can send your feedback. Okay, so this is video long, and next time I will show you security options. Okay, so this video very long here. Okay, so thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day. Next time I will continue security related information Google product. Okay, so what is the security, and what is the different type of systematic you can see here. So thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day. Next time I will continue the security related information. So thank you. Have a nice day. Next time in Google account product. Okay, so thank you.